Hello, this is a short guide to show you how to enrich objects with competences. We start out with the Excel spreadsheets that you have submitted where you selected a number of objects that you want to tag. We're working basically with three columns of information here: the repository name, the title and the URL. So if we just select a resource here, we see that this resource is located in INSEAD. We copy, right-click, copy the name of the resource, and then we go and look at the resource from this link. I have opened the resource already here in this browser. Here we can check that it is the right object, and we look at the level of complications or the level of learning in this document. For example, we see that there are some complicated phrases in there. We also see that there are some formulas that are probably not understood by a beginner. And we distinguish between three levels of competences, that is basic, intermediate and advanced. In this case, this would not be a basic document to me, since it requires some understanding of what this text is about. In order to enter the information, we go to the competence tagger tool, which is located at this URL, OpenScout.OER.nl, competence administration, and we select the area of the domain that we believe that this document covers. In this case, I would say this is general management, because it deals with resource decisions, and here we have a competence that's related to time and resource management. Therefore we can select that, and now the object panel appears on the right and we are able to add an object. I paste the object title into the search field. When I click on search, nothing appears, so it's better to encapsulate it into encircle it in inverted commas. And here we go. Now the system finds the resource. I can highlight it now and I can give it the EQF levels, and we map the EQF levels to basic, intermediate and advanced in the following way: that levels 1 and 2 are basic, 3, 4, 5 is intermediate, and 6, 7, 8 is advanced. So in my view, this object lies between 3 and 5, which makes it an intermediate object, and then I click OK, and it appears now as tagged. We can check that it appears in, if we just remember the name, the title of the object, strategic deployment, and we can go to the OpenScout portal and sorry, what was it now again? Strategic deployment. Enter a search here. And we should find under time and resources the strategic deployment of resources. Here's our object now. We can also go to find out more about the object, and we should be able to see the tagged competence. In this case, we've allocated it to general management and to time and resource management as a competence, and this is the level that it covers. So this would be basic, intermediate and advanced. Okay, thank you for listening.